Good evening on this fairly tranquil Wednesday evening, folks. AI Elon back with you, and let's take a look at the temps out there that range from the upper 40s to the low 60s, with most of the Alleghenies in the 50s. Some cooler air off to the east, more moisture that way as well. With a quick look at radar, you can see the rain well east. The Euro did well with that from 2 days ago. For the here and now, though, we have a fairly inactive period the next 36 hours. Actually, let's pull up the 18ZHRRR and put it in motion. Not much action, maybe patchy drizzle on the east side of the Alleghenies this evening. Plenty of cloud cover. That should break some tomorrow. It's not until, later Thursday night, Friday AM, that the next light chance of moisture comes in, and with the air cold enough, that should give the opportunity at least for some flakes and even possibly some spotty light accumulation, especially above 3,000 in favored locations and even better above 4,000. Any moisture is also accompanied by strong winds. With those strong winds, the WV high ground above 4,000 should see some stickage relatively easy with temps at that time in the mid to upper 20s. I always use the modeled 850 temps to get a good idea of the WV high ground surface temps, as that's essentially what it is, especially with cold air advection. As you see those 850 temps in motion, here off the HRRR at the time the light moisture comes in, you see -2, -3 or 4 Celsius, 850 temps, indicating mid to upper 20s on the tops. Not only that, those elevations can squeeze out a bit more moisture. A look at the 2-meter temps off the HRRR shows the mild air this evening and temps slowly coming down. A chilly day on tap for Thursday and a touch colder overnight into Friday. 30 to 35 for most except 20s again for the WV high ground to start Friday and climbing diurnally through the day. And a quick look at modeled wind gust. Friday morning and Friday afternoon indicating wind gusts 35 to 45 across the high ground with in excess of 50 miles per hour across the high exposed West Virginia tops. Now something of potential bigger consequence. Round 1 of multiple rounds of rain comes in on Saturday and lingers into Sunday morning Easter services. The timing of this may be tweaked earlier or later as we go closer. This round looks to be a modest 4/10 half inch to as much as an inch in the prime areas through Sunday morning. We should see a lull Sunday before the next round comes in Monday, the Monday to Tuesday night. Wednesday morning period has the potential to focus some heavy soaking rains across the area. At the tail end of that, again, the precipitation may end as a touch of light April snow. The rainfall, though, is the primary focus. Let's look at the 12 Euro total precipitation for the period Saturday through Wednesday morning. Currently, and again, I stress this can change, but as of now, the 12Z Euro is putting out in excess of 3 inches in areas with the brunt of that Monday to Wednesday morning. How about the 12Z GFS? Same deal, excess of 3, and even a bit higher than the Euro. So, it's something to watch. Potential for some flooding if this indeed comes to fruition. So first we can monitor the light snow threat, the timing of the Saturday rains, and what lingers into Easter, and this potential of heavy rain early next week that again may end as flakes. I'm sure there will be updates in the days ahead. That's all for now. Have a good night.